So for this one, beta, you can just distribute that negative sign through the parentheses, and you'll get minus r. And then, well, actually, hold on. I'm going to do something first. You know how we said we don't like it when there's two signs in front of a number? So they put two signs in front of that 10. So I'm going to rewrite that with one sign. So the minus sign in front of the parentheses, I'm just going to bring it down. I'm going to bring down my R. Now those two signs, because they're different, get replaced with a minus sign. If they had been the same, either two pluses or two negatives, we would have replaced it with a plus sign. And so that still equals 5. Now I can distribute my negative sign through the parentheses, and I'll get negative R plus 10, because all that negative sign does is switch the signs on the R and the 10. So the R becomes negative and the 10 becomes positive, and that still equals 5. And now we're going to subtract 10 on both sides. So 10 take away 10 cancels, bring down the minus sign in the R, and that's equal to 5 take away 10, which is negative 5. And now I just have to divide out that negative sign, which is a negative 1. And when I do that, I get R equals positive 5. So that's your final answer.